In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a real estate listing yard sign using Canva. Whether you're a real estate agent or you're helping out someone in the industry, crafting an eye-catching yard sign can attract potential buyers and make a significant difference in the real estate world. Let's dive into the process and create a stunning design with ease. To start, head over to Canva on your computer or mobile device. Canva is an intuitive design platform that provides a plethora of templates to help you create various graphics, including effective yard signs for real estate. Once you open Canva, begin by typing "real estate listing yard" into the search bar at the top of the page. This will present you with a collection of ready-to-use templates designed specifically for real estate signs, which you can personalize to suit your needs. Next, it's time to browse through the selection of templates. Take your time to scroll through and carefully evaluate your options. Look for a design that not only grabs attention, but also reflects the personality of the property and the overall tone of your listing. Once you find a template that resonates with your vision, go ahead and select it. You'll then see a button labeled "Customize this template." Clicking on this will open a customizable version of the design in Canva's editor. Now comes the exciting part, making the design your own. The placeholder text on the template can be replaced with your listing details. Consider including essential information like the property address, your contact information, and any unique selling points that could capture the interest of potential buyers right away. Let's move on to the imagery, as images play a crucial role in a yard sign by forming a visual connection to the property. Changing the picture on the template to one that best represents the property you're marketing can make all the difference. Simply click on the image in the template, and you'll have the option to replace it with a photo from your upload. Alternatively, you might choose from Canva's extensive image library. As you continue editing the template and incorporating your specific details, keep in mind the importance of making the text legible from a distance. Use clear fonts and choose colors that contrast well to ensure maximum readability. Remember, the purpose of a yard sign is to grab attention swiftly, even from drivers passing by who may have just a moment to glance at it. Once you are completely satisfied with your design, you can download it in your preferred format. For those planning to print these signs, it's crucial to consult with your printing service to understand their requirements for file types and dimensions, ensuring a seamless process. And that's it. You've just created a professional and attractive real estate listing yard sign with Canva. This tool simplifies the design process, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, connecting with potential buyers. Now you're fully prepared to make a lasting impression with your property listings.